1. Open Inspect Element. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. Alternatively, you can press F12 on your keyboard. 2. Locate the image. Once the Inspect Element panel is open, look for the Elements or HTML tab. Use the Selection tool by clicking on the icon that looks like a mouse cursor over a rectangle in the top left corner of the Inspect Element panel. Then, hover over the image you want to download. This will highlight the corresponding code in the Elements panel. 3. Find the image URL. In the highlighted code, look for in less than img greater than tag. The src attribute of this tag contains the URL of the image. 4. Open the image in a new tab. Right-click on the image URL in the src attribute and select Open in New Tab. This will open the image in a new tab of your browser. 5. Save the image. In the new tab, right-click on the image and select Save Image As to download the image to your computer.